Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In today's class, we'll discuss and learn three topics. The first is GK, that is general knowledge. In the second topic, we'll cover the most commonly used words which are used while texting. And the third will be the polygons. स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं 20 क्वेश्चंस जीके के आपके साथ करूंगी, लेकिन हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि 20 क्वेश्चंस आप सुने उसके बाद उनके आंसर्स लर्न करें. स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस द रेस मीन्स आपको एट ए टाइम सारे 20 क्वेश्चंस नहीं लर्न करने, बल्कि आई फर्स्ट स्पीक 5 क्वेश्चंस. 5 क्वेश्चन सुनने के बाद आपने वीडियो पॉज करना है, स्टिल करना है, उसके बाद अपने आंसर्स लिखने हैं. एंड प्लीज लेटर मैच योर आंसर्स विद माय आंसर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट. सेकंड, नेम द रेड प्लैनेट. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ द ब्लड ऑफ ऑक्टोपस. Next, which animal has 32 brains? Yes, 32. Next question, the highest waterfall in India. So children, आपने अपने आंसर्स मैच किए एंड आई होप अगर ठीक नहीं भी थे तो आप उन्हें वापस लर्न करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम the fruit that gives us oil. When is the National Education Day celebrated? Name the state that has taken up Sanskrit as an official language. We all know that Hindi is the official language of India. Next, name the smallest continent which is also a country. Which acid is found in lemon? Ready for the third round? Next question. Name the founder of Microsoft. Biggest sea animal. The next question. Which planet is nearest to Earth and is considered as the twin planet of the Earth? Next question. Which organ purifies our blood? And the last for this round is name the national tree of India. And the last round. What is the river Ganga called when it enters Bangladesh? Next is name the organ which is about 7 meters or 22 feet long. It is an internal organ. Next, name the bird that can fly backwards and upwards. And it happens to be the smallest bird in the world. Next question, the largest living animal. And the last one for today is you have to name the largest living animal on the ground. आजकल टेक्स्ट हम काफ़ी करते हैं क्योंकि ऑनलाइन वर्क काफ़ी हो रहा है. उसमें कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म में होते हैं, यानी कि कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज़ होती है और हमें फेमिलियर नहीं होते. बट नॉर्मली ये वर्ड्स, ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हम इनफॉर्मल टेक्सटिंग में ही यूज़ करेंगे. फर्स्ट, ROFL, रोलिंग ऑन फ्लोर लाफिंग, यानी कि जब बहुत हंसी आती है तो हम ये नहीं बताते कई बार कि हमें बहुत हंसी आ रही है. सिंपली वी टाइप ROFL. Next is OFC, stands for of course. Next, ASAP, ASAP, as soon as possible. Next, W/O means without. ATB, all the best. Next, AYT, are you there? BION, believe it or not. TOY, it's not toy, but it is thinking of you. TMI, too much information. TC, take care. T and positive means think positive. SIT, stay in touch. IRL, in real life. JDI, just do it. LOL, laughing out loud. SAT, not sad but sorry about that. Today we will learn the names of different polygons. But before starting doing the names, let me just explain you what exactly polygon is. Children, polygon is a closed plane figure. It has 3 or more sides, and the sides of the polygon are always straight. First, we'll start with 3 sides. A polygon which has 3 sides is called a triangle. Next is a polygon with 4 sides. That is called quadrilateral. Polygon with 5 sides is called pentagon. Polygon with 6 sides is called hexagon. Polygon with 7 sides is called heptagon. There are many polygons that we find of 8 sides. That is called octagon. And don't forget that octopus also has 8 arms. So octopus, octagon. Polygon with 9 sides is called nonagon. Sometimes I've seen by mistake children write nanogon. No, that's not correct. No and then na. Nonagon stands for polygon which has 9 sides. The polygon with 10 sides is considered to be decagon. Today I will do some more polygons with you that normally we do not do till class 6. So let's do some new polygons today. The polygon which has 11 sides is called hendecagon. Polygon with 12 sides is called dodecagon. Do plus das means 12. So do, we will say do. Next is 13, means polygon that has 13 sides is called triskiidecagon. Next is 14, means polygon that has 14 sides. That is called tetradecagon. The polygon that has 15 sides is known as pentadecagon. Children, I hope the lesson was informative. ये सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है, आपके पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स, फ्रेंड्स और अंकल आंटी सबके लिए है. प्लीज़ आप उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. इन्हें अपनी लैंग्वेज में, इन्हें अपने मैसेजेस में, सब में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर सपोर्ट एंड लव. कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़.